At 8:46 in the morning, a normal Tuesday changed the world in 102 minutes. On September 11, 2001, thousands of people were already at work inside the World Trade Center in New York City. The Twin Towers were among the most recognizable buildings on Earth, each standing 110 stories tall. Then American Airlines Flight 11 struck the North Tower. At first, many people thought it was a terrible accident. News cameras turned toward the smoke pouring from the building. People across the country watched live, trying to understand what had happened. 17 minutes later, at 9:03 a.m., United Airlines Flight 175 hit the South Tower. At that moment, it became clear this was not an accident. The United States was under attack. The attacks were carried out by 19 terrorists from al-Qaeda, who hijacked 4 planes that morning. 2 were flown into the World Trade Center. A third plane, American Airlines Flight 77, hit the Pentagon near Washington, D.C. A fourth plane, United Airlines Flight 93, never reached its intended target because passengers fought back. It crashed in a field in Pennsylvania. Inside the towers, the situation was unimaginable. Stairwells became lifelines. Firefighters, police officers, and emergency workers rushed upward, while thousands of people were trying to escape downward. One detail that is often forgotten is that many people survived because they ignored early instructions to stay where they were. Others survived because strangers helped them step by step through smoke-filled stairways. At 9:59 a.m., the South Tower collapsed. It had stood for less than an hour after being hit. At 10:28 a.m., the North Tower, too, collapsed. In total, 2,977 victims were killed in the September 11th attacks, not including the hijackers. Hundreds of first responders died, including firefighters, police officers, and paramedics who ran toward danger when everyone else was running away. The dust cloud that covered lower Manhattan was so thick it turned day into night. Shoes, papers, ash, and debris filled the streets. People walked for miles trying to get home, many covered in gray dust, many unable to reach loved ones because phone lines were overwhelmed. But amid the horror, there were also stories of courage. Office workers carried injured co-workers down dozens of flights. Boat captains created a massive evacuation from Manhattan by water. Ordinary people opened their doors, handed out water, and helped strangers. September 11 was not only the story of buildings falling. It was the story of lives lost, heroes revealed, and a world changed forever. If you want more history videos that shaped our world, subscribe. And if this video helped you understand September 11 clearly, please like it.